Hi everyone, my name is Iris. I'm the founder of the Urban Maasai. The Urban Maasai is a company that makes brass jewelry. We're based in Kenya and we have a workshop in Kibera, and we work with local artisans and local craftspeople to design and come up with beautiful jewelry for sale in Kenya and around the world. On the 17th of March, we had a very bad fire, and it literally consumed the whole where we were, where our workshop is, and a few other workshops were burnt down. So we literally had to start from scratch. We don't know the source of the fire. They say it was electric fault that happened at night, and it started from about 200 meters, and it just traveled towards where we were. So I had to think fast about how I was going to raise money. When I was reaching out to people, I didn't want them to send money to my phone number. I just felt like I just wanted it to be genuine, for a platform that can showcase what I do, what we do, and also create that transparency also about what we are, who we are. So I came across M-Changa, and I said, oh, this would be a perfect way because it was very fast. I liked the idea that it was very fast to start and get my 3 treasurers, which I did, and immediately things just started happening because people just started contributing to the platform. I would share the link. People are sharing the link to other people, and like we could see the money coming to our account. So far we've managed to raise about 255,000 Kenya shillings. And from that, we have withdrawn about 80,000 to buy workshop materials. So we decided to build a brick building, and then 2 like mabati houses. So most of the money is going to go through building materials, so cement, bricks, roofing, all of that. So I'd like to invite you to contribute whatever towards our cause. Our pay bill is 891300, and the account is rebuilt. And then you can also donate with your Visa or your MasterCard. So just search the name on M-Changa, just search the name, the Urban Maasai Workshop Rebuilt.